Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. In this video, what I'm going to be talking about is evaluating probabilities within the context of Excel. In my last video, we did some questions about evaluating probabilities in Python. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Excel. And so we're going to be covering the same questions that we covered in the last video, but we're going to be answering those questions in Excel instead of Python. Okay, so the first thing that the question you have is find the probability of having exactly 2 boys in a family of 3 children. So you've got your number of children is going to be 3, and then your total outcomes is going to be 2. Sorry, the total outcomes is going to be 8, because it's going to be 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. And then the number of desired outcomes is going to be 3. And the reason why is because when you do your sample state, it's going to be a boy, boy, girl, and then it's going to be a boy, girl, boy, and then it's going to be a girl, boy, boy. So that's going to be 3 outcomes. And then we calculate that by B5 divided by B4, so total outcomes divided by, number of desired outcomes divided by total outcomes is 37.5%. So the next question we have is find the probability of having exactly 2 boys or 3 girls in a family of 3 children. So now your sample space is going to be exactly the same sample space that was in the previous question, but instead of the desired outcomes, you're going to still have the 3 desired outcomes, but you're going to add a desired outcome of girl, girl, girl. So instead of the number of desired outcomes being 3, now you're going to have the number of desired outcomes being 4. So the number of children is 3, total outcomes is 2 to the power 2 cubed. So that's going to be 8. The number of desired outcomes is going to be 4. And the probability is going to be 4 divided by 8, or 50%. The next question we have is find the probability of having all boys or all girls in a family of 3 children. So now your sample space is going to be the same as it was in the previous 2 questions, but the outcome is going to be either boy, 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 or girl, girl, girl. So the number of children is 3. Total outcomes is 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. Number of desired outcomes is 2, because that's boy, 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 or girl, girl, girl. And probability, all boys or all girls, is going to be 2 divided by 8, which is going to be 25%. The next question we have is right-handedness equals 3/4 and left-handedness equals 1/4. What is the probability that in a family of 2 children, both children are left-handed? So left-handed is 25%, right-handed is 75%. Total outcomes is 4, because it's going to be left, 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 right, 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 or right, left. So that's 4. And then you want the number of children is going to be left-handed. So your total outcomes is going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. The number of left-handed is going to be 2 children. And the probability of both left-handed is going to be 0.25 to the power of 2. So that's 0.0625. Now we have another question. A bag contains 3 green marbles, 4 blue marbles, and 2 orange marbles. If a marble is picked at random, what is the probability that it is not an orange marble? So you've got 3 green marbles, you've got 4 blue marbles, and you've got 2 orange marbles. And then the total number of balls or marbles is going to be 9. So the probability that it's not going to be orange is going to be the green marbles plus the blue marbles divided by the total marbles, which is 0.7778. So now we have another question. A number is chosen at random from the numbers -3 to 3. Find the probability that the absolute value of x is less than 2. So your total numbers is going to be 7, and your valid numbers is going to be 3, because it's going to be 1, 0, and then 1 are going to be your valid numbers. And the probability is going to be 3 divided by 7 is 42.85%. So now we have the last question. A box contains 12 balls, of which X are black. If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. From the given information, we can infer that the value of X is 2. So we calculate that. So total balls 1 is 12. Total black balls is 2. Probability of getting a black ball is 2 divided by 12, which is 16.67%. So we're going to add 6 black balls. The total black balls is now going to be 8. And the probability that you're going to get a black ball is the total black balls divided by total balls 1 plus add black balls. It's going to be 44.44%. So that is concluding all of the questions in Module 5 of the Alison's course, Probabilities and Combinatorics. And this is the Evaluating Probabilities module. And we've answered the questions in Excel to give you an idea how to answer those questions in Excel. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I will be making another video for you soon about another data science project.